remember. The 5th of November, the war with the banks we fought. We know of no reason why the war of this season should ever be forgot. Anonymous and their companions did much of the scheme derive to shut down the banks and elitists, no more may they deprive. 9,000 proxies are ships outflow to force the bank's overthrow. But, by the 1% powers provocateurs dispatch, against the 99% game set match. They give us our cake, unemployment and heartache. They think they have won, wait for round 2. The better for us, and worse for the few. A rope on some soap, in the pen you'll find them. A world washed down, and a maximum security prison to hold them. Holla world, set sail upon our ships. Holla world, oceans filled with scripts. Hip hip hooray.